Hey everyone, I'm Alice, your fellow learner. Welcome back to Korean Ladder. Today we finally read the big numbers out loud.
안녕하세요. 저는 하나예요. In English, hi, I'm Hana, and today we make big numbers easy.
안녕하세요. 저는 준호예요. I'm Junho. I'm Junho. Phone numbers, prices, addresses. By the end, you'll read them all.
Okay, real talk, I can count. 하나, 둘, 셋. But the second someone says a phone number fast, I'm completely lost.
That's because those big numbers aren't 하나, 둘, 셋라러. Phone numbers and prices use a totally different set.
Korean has two number systems. Native Korean for counting things and Sino-Korean for digits, money, and dates. Today is all Sino-Korean.
Let's build the toolkit. The single digits first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 애원 2, 고마원 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Say them with me. 5, 6, 7, 8.
So 1 through 9 is Al, I, Sam, say, oh, yug, sail, pal, go. Got it, but what about 0?
Great question. And 0 is special. Korean has two words for it. 영 and 공.
Young is the mathematical 0. Temperatures, scores, calculations. 영도 0 degrees. 2대 0. 툰지요.
But in a phone number, we almost always say 공. 공 sounds clear and round on the phone. 010. Go. That's a 010.
Okay, so temperature and scores are young. But when I read out a phone number, every 0 becomes 공.
정확해요. Exactly right. Digits on a phone are read one by one, and every 0 is 콩.
Now the powers of 10. This is where it clicks. 10 is 10. 100 is 100. 1000 is 1000.
And the big one, 만, is 10,000, not 1,000. 많이 구워서 만. Remember that gap.
Wait, so man is 10,000, not 1,000? In English, I group by thousands. This feels different.
Yes, and that's the real secret today. English commas jump every 3 zeros. Korean jumps every 4. At 만.
Let's see it. 배 is 배. Put a 5 in front. 500, 500.
At 1,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3 plus 1,000. Simple stacking.
Now combine 1,500, 3,500. You just read the pieces left to right.
Oh, so it's like reading 3,500 out loud, chunk by chunk. 3,500.
완벽해요. Now cross into 만. 10,000 is just 만. You don't say 1만 for a plain 10,000 at the start. But for a price, 1만 is common. Let's do 15,000. 15,000.
Here's a cafe price you'll really use. 4,500원, a 4,500원 coffee.
4,500원, 4,500 won. That's a price I can actually say at a counter now.
Let's hear it in a real moment. A little cafe exchange between me and Junho. 이 커피 얼마예요?
4,500원이에요.
카드 돼요?
네, 돼요. Now the big money jump. 만 is 10,000. So 25,000 won meal is 2만 5천 원.
So, 2만 is two 10,000s, 20,000 then. 5천 is 5,000. 2만 5천. 25,000.
좋아요. Now the part that scares everyone. Phone numbers. Here the rules flip a little. Every digit is read one by one, and 0 becomes 공.
Take 010. On the phone, that's 010, never 10. And the dash between chunks, we say 에 or just pause.
So for a number ending in 만, you'd never read it as 10,000. On the phone, it's just the digits. We break it up with 에, and each 0 is 공.
Here's the trap to remember. For prices, you group by 만. For phone digits, you don't group at all. You read them one by one, and 0 is 공.
Okay, let me try a full phone number. 010-2345-6789. Slow, but I did it.
완벽해요. One tiny fix. The last chunk flows smoother if you don't stop between 6 and 7. 6, 7, 8, 9. All connected.
6789. Ooh, that's much cleaner. 010-2345-6789.
Now the classic English speaker mistake. You see 10,000 and your brain says 10,000. So you try 10,000. That's wrong.
There's no 10,000 in Korean. 10,000 has its own word, 만. So 10,000 is just 만, or 1만 for a price.
Oof, I would 100% have said 10,000. So the moment English says 10,000, Korean switches to the word man.
Time for a quick check. You're buying a meal that costs 30,000 won. Which reading is right?
Think about the unit. Is 30,000 grouped at 천 or at 만?
The answer is B, 3만 원. 30,000 is 3만에스. 3,000 is only 3,000 and 13,000 doesn't exist.
B3. Man. Because man is 10,000, 3 of them is 30,000. That actually makes sense now.
Let's log in today's core. First, Korean has 2 number systems and big digits, money, and dates all use Sino-Korean. 큰 숫자는 한자어예요.
Second, 10,000 is 만, never 10,000. 만은 만이에요. 10,000이 아니에요. It has its own word.
Third, group and read at the 만 unit. 만 단위로 끊어 읽어요. 4 digits, then reset. That's the whole rhythm of Korean numbers.
And fourth, in phone numbers, every 0 is 공, and you read the digits one by one. 전화번호의 0은 공이에요.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. Remember this one sentence. 만 단위로 끊어 읽어요. Break big numbers at 만.
Practice one price and one phone number out loud before next time. That's how it sticks. 다음에 또 만나요.
Thanks for climbing with us. I'm Alice. Keep saying those numbers out loud, and I'll see you on the next rung of Korean ladder.